So I'm just going to bring it into the canvas, and you would hear that the noise in the background is terrible.
Ever since Capcut got monetized, some of our favorite features are no longer available for free, like the voice enhancement feature that allows us to remove background noise from our video in order to get good audio quality. But that is not even a death sentence, because there are other ways to actually achieve this without having to pay the huge monthly subscription that Capcut has now put on its app. Well, it's not huge for some people, of course, I know that, but then if you're not like some persons who are making a lot of money from their video content creation, you may not actually be able to afford this monthly subscription, right? So if you're in that category, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you a very simple yet neglected way that you can actually use to enhance your audio quality in your videos, that is removing the background noise in your video so that you can achieve a studio feel in your videos. Not gonna waste your time in this video, so let's get straight into it. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and also like this video, comment and share this video with people whom you believe will also benefit from this value that I'm going to be sharing in this tutorial. And if you're a returning subscriber, you've watched my videos before but you're yet to subscribe, please don't be selfish. Please hit on the subscribe button so you become a valuable member of our family. Now let's get straight into my laptop screen and let me show you how to achieve this.
The simple thing to do once you're in Canva is to go to your uploads, and then you upload or you download all the files or the file you want to enhance the audio for inside of Canva. So I don't know if I've mentioned, but you will need a Canva Pro account to be able to achieve this, right? But then having a Canva Pro account and being able to do this is more affordable than using Capcut, because Capcut's monthly subscription right now is around 12,000 naira. But with a Canva monthly subscription of 2,800 naira, you can actually achieve this, right? So I currently use Canva Pro and I subscribe monthly for the individual plan for 2,800 naira. All right, you can even try this if you've just started using Canva. You can try this with the 30-day free plan. All right, so you can use the 30-day free trial plan and then you're going to be able to do this. So one of the things that a lot of people get issues with when trying to pay for Canva Pro is with the card that they are using for payment, right? So you have to use a dollar card. If you're in Nigeria and you're going to be using a Naira debit card, you may actually have issues. Even if it's a MasterCard, you may have issues. So you might actually need to get a dollar card. It's either you get a virtual dollar card or you get an actual domiciliary account and then request for the card from your bank. All right, so doing this is very simple. So once you're able to get Canva Pro, that's all. So I'm going to be uploading all of these short videos, right? And another thing is, this is much more easier if you're going to be using shorter clips. All right, so in this case I'm going to be using very short clips that I recorded for a brand that I'm managing social media content for, and we recorded content in their office environment and it was really noisy. And honestly, right now I'm not using Capcut Pro, right? Because in fact, Capcut Pro access for iPhone users is much more expensive than for Android users. If you're using Capcut, if you're going to be using Capcut Pro and you use Android, there is actually an easier, very easy way out that I think I did a video on it. I'm going to be linking it in the description of this video so I can actually go and check it out. So it's much easier for Android users than it is for iPhone users. What I'm simply going to do is to let the videos finish downloading, all right, into Capcut. I think one has finished downloading. This one is about 24 seconds. So I'm just going to bring this into the canvas and you would hear that the noise in the background is terrible. All right. So I'm just going to pause this video, and then the video is still being highlighted, right? If you look up, you're going to be seeing where we have audio here. So I'm going to click on audio, and then it's going to be bringing us here, and then it's going to be saying enhance voice. So you can see that the enhance voice feature is actually having this crown to show you that it's a pro feature, right? It's a premium feature. So what I'm simply going to do is to toggle this on, right? So I'm going to toggle it on, and then it's just going to, do its thing. And after I finish doing this, I'll play the video again, and then you're going to be seeing that there is a huge difference in the audio quality, right? So just hold on. I'm going to be playing it in a moment. All right, it says voice clarity enhanced. We hear you loud and clear. So now let me play the video again. All right, great. So you can see that the voice is clearer. It's clearer now than it was. When I discovered this, I was so excited. Like, I didn't even know that we could do this with Canva, right? So it's really amazing that this can be possible with Canva, and the fact that Canva is, it has a lot more features than you can actually use for your videos than even Capcut is quite amazing, right? So what you can now do after you finish enhancing your voice is to now, download it back to your device, and then send it to Capcut to finish the editing, right? That's what I'm going to be doing. All right, so you can also achieve this on a mobile phone. In fact, with a mobile phone, it will be easier for you because you can easily, download it to your mobile phone and then take it to Capcut. So, everything is easier within the mobile phone. But since it's a laptop, I'll have to now, take it to my WhatsApp. I'll download it as HD, as document to my WhatsApp. Then I'll now download my phone again, right? So that's what I'm going to be doing. Then another thing you can also do inside of Canva is to trim the video, right? So let's say, for instance, the video is too long and you want to be able to trim it. Like, for instance, this particular video did not start from where the man was talking. It started from where there was a lot of noise, right? So I'm going to be trimming the video. So I'm just going to click on this scissors sign here. I'll click on it, and I'm going to just, take it to where I want it. I want to cut out the part where he wasn't talking. And then once I'm done, I'll click on done here. Once I'm done, I'll click on done. And then I can also trim it from over here. Then I'll click on done. And that's that. So once I'm done, I'll just click on share. And then I'll share it as MP, right? I'll share it as MP. And that's it. Right, so I'll just come here. I'll share it as an MP4 video, and that is it.